Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for math. Today's objective. We will use equal groups of concrete objects to create and describe contextual division situations in which a set of objects is separated into equivalent sets. So what does this mean? It means that today we will use equal groups of objects to create and describe a division story situation where objects are separated into groups. On Friday, we created a multiplication story situation in which objects are joined to find the total. But today we will create a division story situation. Today we will use the same model that we used Friday to create our multiplication story. But today it will be a division story. Remember that for a division story, we know the total and either the number of groups or the number in each group. So let's take a look at our model. You see here that each circle represents each child. The yellow circles represent the brownies. I do see here that there are 4 equal groups, and each group has 3 each. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups, and in each equal group I have 3 yellow circles. There are 12 total brownies. 3, 6, 9, 12. I used skip counting in order to find my total. 3, 6, 9, 12. So there are 12 total brownies. I have 4 equal groups, and in each group I have 3. So let's go ahead and write our story situation. Remember that for a division story, we know the total, and we also know either the number of groups or the number in each group. So I'm going to start my story situation by telling that I know my total and that I know either the number of groups or the number in each group. So I'm going to start by saying, I know my total. Ms. Gonzalez has 12 brownies. And I also know that she has 4 equal groups. She has to share them equally between her 4 children. The question that I'm going to ask is, how many brownies will each of her children get? Remember, I know the total number of yellow dots, which represent brownies, and I know that she has 4 equal groups. So that means that she has to share these 12 brownies equally between her 4 children. The question that I want to ask is, how many brownies will each of her children get? Because that is what I don't know, which is what the number is in each group. So now it is your turn. Go to Google Classroom. You will find the division practice attachment, and you will use this to create your own story situations. Remember, for a story division, we know the total, and we know either the number of groups or the number in each group. Have a great day.